Hey Stefan, quick video for you dude. Just log into the admin area, and I'm doing this as though I'm on a mobile phone, so if you click this menu up on the top right hand corner, click components, go down, click Vic Restaurants. You'll see here we've got the restaurant administration area, and I'll send you the login later as well. What we're doing is editing the menus. So if we go over here, take away, and you'll see under operations you have menus. Just click that. We've got all your menus here. Main meals. I think the first one is desserts actually, the fried banana. Scroll down. Yeah, so we've got that there. Okay, so we need to go to products. We've got to find fried banana, so I just type in banana there. You'll see there. It says it has an image, which is okay. We'll just add another one. Click on there, open it up, and it says there image, so we choose the file. And here's your image. Save and close. The next one is pineapple rice. Change that image. There we go. Next one is pad thai. I can't find the one with shrimps, so I'll just use the main one here. Save and close. And the last one is cocoa. Cocoa sticky rice. And there we go, that's it. That's your images added. If we go to your website, menu, menu, desserts, find the pineapple rice. Oh, not the pineapple rice, fried banana, there we go. That's the image. That's it done. And as I said, I'll send you the login as well.